Hello. In this presentation, we'll polish a mirror, a practical life activity filled with patience, reflection, and a quiet sense of beauty. This work helps children refine their hand movements and develop attention to detail. Prepare a tray with a small mirror, a bottle of non-toxic polish, a polishing cloth, a clean buffing cloth, and a mat. Arrange everything neatly to guide the child through the sequence. Invite the child gently. Would you like to polish the mirror? Begin by putting a small amount of polish onto the polishing cloth. Using soft circular motions, spread the polish evenly, watching the mist appear and slowly fade. Then switch to the clean cloth and buff the mirror until it shines. Check for streaks, and if you see any, polish again with calm, deliberate movements. When finished, return all items neatly to the tray. The points of interest include the cloudy surface slowly becoming clear and the sparkle that appears with the final buffing. Control of error is entirely visual. Any remaining streaks invite another gentle pass. Avoid using too much polish or pressing too firmly. Extensions include polishing metal objects, glass ornaments, or picture frames. Polishing a mirror teaches children to appreciate clarity and care, noticing beauty both outside and within.